installing YouTube vanced became more easy, with which you can skip ads in the YouTube. Ads will never appear in this YouTube app, and also you can play YouTube videos even under the lock screen or in the picture in picture style. So let me show you how you do it. Open the Chrome browser or any browser you have. Just type here vanced and hit enter. Here you see the first link vanced.app. Just click on it and scroll until you see this one, download vanced manager, and click it. If you are looking for the older versions, go here, but please don't go to the older versions because you will see a different style of vanced here, or the process of installing vanced application is more easier with the vanced manager. Just click on it and download. Now after downloading, just install it and open it. And at this interface, you need to install both applications. First you should install micro G. In my case I have micro G already, so I am not doing it right now. If you don't have micro G, you will not able to sign in into the YouTube application with your Gmail account. So please download micro G and install it, and then click install vanced. Here you have two options, light plus black, light plus dark. So let me choose light plus black and English as default language and finish. Now this will start downloading and it will prompt you to install the app. You see the app is installed and giving me a notification to launch it, so I launch it. Without the micro G app you cannot add your account into this app. So here if I play any video, you will notice that ads are not appearing on the videos, but not on the remaining screen, but ads are not available on the videos. Let me show you picture in picture style. Here you see videos are played in the picture in picture mode also. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.